you guys? It's your boy Sage. Today we're gonna do an oil change on car Z. Here he go right here.
I love you.
Yeah, call.
Let me play you some beautiful music. You know, so there's this feeling.
Now you gonna give me copyright playing that music now.
They're gonna do whatever they
But
want.
we're finna hop right into it. No questions asked. Oh, how y'all guys doing? Leave in the comments below. And I will reply back. But alright, you guys, what's up? I'm back. We went in, had to change my clothes. He changed his clothes. We're gonna link up with Alec and basically get his car scanned. And yeah, so and we're not playing. Not playing. Not playing. But yeah, basically that's what we're finna do right now. And I might vlog on the way. You guys, we just made it here to the shop and whew, look at this. I ain't gonna lie, I've been, you know, thinking about it a lot lately. So I'm like, you know what? Instead of me buying the, you know, 350Z, it's time to go and finish them. Get that horsepower I was talking about. And I've got quite a bit saved up, so it's time to get back at her. It's gonna be real soon. And all this gonna be changed out. The arms and all that. I ain't opened it so long. I mean, when I first got in here. It's been a long ride. That's all I gotta say. Now it's time to rise. It's time to rise. But yeah, you guys, I did want to get a 350Z, but now it seems like my 300 doing me a lot better now. But uh-oh, and I dropped the key. But Look at the dog. He always coming over here bothering me. But yeah. I ain't gonna lie, it's been a long journey with this car. It's time to put another heart in her, a stronger heart. And I gotta get the paperwork for this car and all that situated soon. So yeah, the guy said he found the paperwork, so I really don't. Man. What you said? You want to take a trip?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Damn, why you got these bumpers?
She said she don't like that. Don't talk about her like that no more. Uh-oh. Oh, no, we can't get in that. We ain't got no wheels.
Yeah, we can.
Where the wheels at?
Imaginary, bro.
No, we got to have some wheels on her. She don't like that. She wanted to go. She want to go for real.
She remember me, though. She remember me. Hey.
Yeah, she remember you and Alec when I first got her. You sitting right there in the back seat. And Alec was sitting up there in the front hollering, fuck. I'm gonna put that video up there right now. But yeah, it did bring back memories. Cause when I first looked at this car, I was on the bus. I'm like, oh man, that's the car right there. So yeah, oh yeah, it's time for. I ain't gonna lie, I like the red on this. I like red now. I got a black car. I got a black 300 and then a red 300. This one, I might paint this one black. I have 2 black cars.
I'm a Bloody Zilla.
It still can be a Bloody Zilla now. Trust me.
Bloody Zilla, bro.
It don't matter. You gonna see what I'm talking about, Bloody Zilla, goddamn.
I get that. Bring it on.
But at the same time, I don't know. I might leave it red. I might just repaint it. But at the same time, I do want a yellow one. A glossy yellow. You never seen that on the Z. That's why. That's clean. You never.
Yellow,
The yellow I'm talking about, it's like not that type of yellow. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's like mixed with orange and all that.
Oh yeah, no, I see that.
Not that. Nah. That's now they do have that in these cars, but it's I don't like it. But I'm talking about like a yeah, like a glossy. I don't know. I had to show you what type of yellow I'm talking about. But yeah. So yeah, you guys. Yeah. It's been a long journey with this car. It's time to bring it back. So next videos, next I say 2 videos, I should be. You all right?
Yeah, I ain't drinking all day.
I ain't eating none all day. Next 2 videos, I said this is my last. I don't know what vlog I said it is. I said I'm gonna work on this car. Now I'm really gonna work on this car because it's getting close to that time. So what I have to do is modify my heads. My cams are gonna be basically like LS cams or bigger than the stock LS cams. So yes, this car is gonna be insane, and hopefully I'll be, you know, able to get some reactions for y'all. Yeah, but well, yeah, you know, I take that back. You right. See, that's why I gotta have. That's why I got a car around me.
You gotta go. You gotta have a reaction.
So you gotta have a reaction. Yeah. Okay then. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're gonna do. Reaction. But yeah.
I'm gonna be right in the passenger seat saying reaction, right?
Yes. 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 As a matter of fact, you might. I would say you'd be the first person to ride in it, but at the same time, I'm gonna be. Jimmy probably gonna be the first person to ride in it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Cause he gonna, you know, be tuning it. And oh yeah, I gotta see about the Mega Squirt. My ECU, I still have it here. I still got everything here, like the throttle bodies, pistons. All I need is the rods, like I said, and then the cam, and like I need a fuel pump, a big fuel pump. And I gotta see about. Oh yeah, I sure forgot about that. I gotta see about injectors. I might just. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing the Nismo. Well, no, I'm thinking about just doing the GTR injectors.
Yeah, that's
with the E85. Be like fresh kicks and all them. Get out, pow, goddamn. Let it all out. But yeah, let me go help Alec right quick. Let me see what's up with his car. Whoa, I'm gonna drop y'all.